if you have a migraine or headache located from the neck and goes in the front to your forehead, you have to watch this video. I'm going to teach you how you can drain your lymphatic system, all this fluid pressure that I think your migraine or headache is. We have to drain that and regulate the fluid flow to your head. So my name is Rune Aabø. I'm going to teach you to get pain-free. And in this video, pain-free headache located from the neck to the front. Here we go. So we have a big lymph node located in your forehead, just with your eyebrow right here. Use your palm like this, and I'm going to squeeze it like this, go in down below here, push in, and I squeeze upwards. You can hear a crunching sound like that, sound, and open up that lymph node. The other area you need to open up is the neck muscles. So you have a neck muscle right, here we go. This sternocleidomastoid, we have to cross massages like this, cross it. Oh, there we go. We're gonna cross it like that because this muscle is maybe too long and we have to open up like that. But draining that lymph node, or draining that muscle, the muscle will not pull anymore because it's connected in the back of your head and to your collarbone. So drain it, pinch it maybe if you pinch it like this, pinch and twist, then this muscle gets softer and the drainage to your neck, to front of your head, gets better. So open up that lymph node with your palm and open up the sternocleidomastoid by pinching it or crossing it like this. Okay, if you want to learn more hacks or how you can fix yourself, please subscribe, and in this next video I'm going to show you, if you have a sore throat, I'm going to show you how you can drain your lymph nodes in your throat and locate your swollen lymph nodes. Thank you.